Cancer of the colon. Pero first stage, nung na-discover na meron siyang cancer of the colon. Kaya very active pa kami, very hopeful. We were telling him that it's okay, you'll be fine. First stage pa lang yan. Ayaw mo mapaglabanan yan. Kain na, think about it, go with your life. So he went under medication, etc. He did surgery. And then after a while, he was on his way to recovery. And we thought, okay, it's not a mess. Nakalusot. Just after a month, I received a call from my aunt. Wala na siya ang progress. Everybody was surprised. We thought he was getting fine. He was getting better. Akala natin okay na. Kaya unang gabi, hanggang huling gabi ng kanyang lamay, I was there to say mass for him. From first night to last night, I was just staying on one corner, and I was listening to people coming in. And the first thing that they asked my auntie is, bakit namatay? Ano nangyari? Saan namatay? Sino kasama mo namatay? Paano namatay? Ano yung namatay? Puro patay. Second night na ulit. Third night na ulit. Last night na ulit. Kaya po nung araw na kanyang ibig, ako rin nag-misa. Sabi ko sa kanila, magmula unang gabi hanggang ngayon, ang naririnig ko ng mga tao ay kung kailan namatay, saan namatay, paano namatay, ano ikinamatay, sino kasama nung namatay. But I have never heard somebody ask, paano namatay? Which is more important, to ask, paano namatay o paano namatay? Growing up in the province, my grandfather would always bring me kapag nakikipaglibing siya. Sa lang naman yung intention ko noon, bakit sumasama ako sa lolo ko. Ang libingan ko kasi sa mga makikipaglibing ko kasi sa probinsya, lamig siguro dito, pagkatapos ng na. One time, I was with my grandfather, and he told me, oh, dito mo makikita kung yung namatay na tao ay mabuti, masama. Sabi ko, paano mo malalaman lolo? Kapag mahaba ang pila at kapag mahaba ang posisyon